This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review is a product from Letwesaf. This is a radar motion alarm system that will go off whenever you have an alarm or whenever you have the motion detector sense that there is somebody or something crossing this area. So these are battery operated. You have to recharge the batteries every once in a while. I've got them fully charged already, and they are ready to rock. So this is kind of the unit that chimes. This is the unit that you put out for the motion. So pretty good. You have wide and customizable detection range, ultra remote signal transmission, excuse me. So you should be able to put this out pretty far away and then be able to read it and chime no matter what. So that's very nice. And you can detect multiple areas. You can link, it looks to be up to 6 of these, so that you can detect motion in more than just this one area. So what I'm going to do is just get everything set up for you so that you can see how this works. I may go through the pairing process and whatnot after I look at the instructions, and we'll get it all set up so that you can see how it works here next. Alright guys, so I've got everything paired, and actually I'm about to pair it because it doesn't look like it's paired. And it's in the process of pairing now. As you can see, it locked in. So I pressed pair on here, pressed pair or pressed number 1, and pressed pair here. And it seems to have done what it needed to. And as you can see, constantly going off now. So that's pretty good to show that it works, right? So, like I said, it'll consistently go off as long as it detects motion. So that's pretty good. I'll turn this off for now just so you know. Just so we don't have to listen to that. But so you've got multiple different methods of like configuration stuff here. You can silence this if you need to. That's all in the instructions. It's recommended to mount the detector at a height of 1.5 to 4.5 feet. And you can angle it up to 6 feet up. And the detection is 30 feet for pedestrians and 45 feet for vehicles. So that's very nice. So yeah, so that's pretty much all you have to do is to turn it on and pair it. And once you turn everything on, everything locks in and you're good, and it's battery powered. So every once in a while you just have to pull it down and recharge the battery and you're good. So what I'm going to do is get this set up so that you can see how this works. As you can already see how it works, but I'm going to actually mount it in an area that I'm going to use it at. And I'll show you how that works here next. Alright guys, so you can see I've got this thing installed right here and it's going off like crazy. But yeah, so just 4 screws you can see mounted right there for the transmitter. And then the receiver I've got in my hand right here, as you can see. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you. So my driveway is about, I don't know, 15 to 20 feet from this, and you can hear it just going off, right? So I've got that, and then you'll hear me when I walk across with the receiver here. So I have it positioned up the driveway a little bit because I don't want it to really interfere with the cars going down the road. But as you can see, we're going to walk right here. And we have to maybe get a little bit closer to it. There we go. So the far side of the driveway is a little bit of a reach, but any car coming in the driveway is going to be good. But yeah, so that's pretty much how it works, y'all. As you can see, it works really well, and the battery will hopefully last you a good little while, and you just every once in a while bring it in, charge it up, put it back out, and you should be good to go. All right, guys, that's everything on this Letwesaf motion detection system. These are great to have. I use them for driveway chimes, so that I know when somebody comes into the driveway, and for general detection around the house. If you hear or if you see motion, or if these see motion, they'll go off and they'll alert you that something's happening that you may need to be aware of. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching. I will catch y'all on the next one.